One thing I'm not a big fan of is the trope in TV shows and movies where you can see one particular character is about to die. Like specifically, if you suddenly receive the person's backstory, you just know this person is gonna die in the most gruesome way possible, right? Or if suddenly the character looks at the camera or looks at the character and they say, "I'll be right back." The writers of Avengers Endgame, you should be grateful that I cannot catch you in the streets. When Nat looks at the team and says, "See you in a minute," that should have been a sign to me that she's not coming back. I rewatched Invincible recently, and the writer that had Rex say, "See you in a minute." When I catch you in the streets, when I catch you, I will be the last person that you see. You made me hate the character. You made me tolerate him. And then you make me like the character. When I catch you.